Nissan has officially introduced the all-new Tecton during its global debut in India, giving buyers a fresh option in the highly competitive C-Sport utility vehicle segment. The new model represents an important step in Nissan's long-term strategy, combining modern technology, premium comfort, strong performance, and practical everyday usability in a vehicle that will not only serve Indian customers, but also be exported to international markets. Manufactured at Nissan's Chennai facility, the Tecton follows the company's one car, one world philosophy. Instead of building different versions for different countries, Nissan designed this vehicle to meet the needs of customers across multiple regions while taking advantage of India's growing importance as one of the company's major manufacturing hubs. The first impression comes from its bold exterior styling. Inspired by Nissan's legendary Patrol, the Tecton features a confident stance with sculpted body panels, muscular wheel arches, and a distinctive front fascia highlighted by a full-width chrome grille. Signature C-shaped 5-chamber light, emitting diode headlamps, and matching connected rear tail lamps give the sport utility vehicle a modern identity. While aerodynamic touches such as integrated spoilers and flush roof rails help improve efficiency without sacrificing style. The rear design is equally striking, featuring connected lighting elements and a clean, upscale appearance that gives the vehicle a wider and more planted look. Nissan also incorporated unique styling details that reflect the adventurous personality the company wants the Tecton to represent. Inside, the cabin focuses on premium materials and everyday comfort. Soft touch surfaces, leatherette upholstery, decorative stitching, and carefully selected trim pieces create an upscale atmosphere. The tri-tone interior combines beige, burgundy, and rose gold accents, giving the cabin a distinctive appearance that stands out from many competitors in the segment. The driver's area has been designed with convenience in mind. A flat-bottom steering wheel sits ahead of dual digital displays that provide vehicle information and infotainment functions. The elevated center console includes an electronic shift selector, while the overall dashboard layout places important controls within easy reach. Comfort was clearly a priority during development. The front seats offer power adjustment, ventilation, and lumbar support, helping reduce fatigue during longer drives. Adjustable headrests and supportive seat cushioning further improve comfort, whether driving through city traffic or spending hours on the highway. One of the biggest advantages of the Tecton is its practicality. Nissan says the sport utility vehicle offers up to 700 liters of cargo capacity, making it one of the most spacious models in its class. Combined with generous passenger room and a thoughtful cabin layout, the vehicle is well suited for family trips, weekend adventures, or daily commuting. Ground clearance measures 212 millimeters, giving drivers additional confidence on rough roads and uneven terrain. Optimized approach and departure angles also improve the vehicle's capability when encountering steep driveways or challenging road conditions. Performance comes from a fully turbocharged engine lineup. Buyers can choose between the Turbo T 160 and the more powerful Turbo T 280. The flagship, Turbo T 280, produces up to 163 metric horsepower and 280 Newton meters of torque, delivering strong acceleration while maintaining smooth, everyday drivability. The Turbo T 160 focuses on balancing performance with fuel efficiency, returning up to 19.4 kilometers per liter. Meanwhile, the Turbo T 280 delivers up to 18.5 kilometers per liter, while offering additional power for drivers who want stronger highway performance. Both engines benefit from technology derived from the Nissan GT-R, including mirror bore coating, which helps reduce internal friction while improving durability and efficiency. Buyers can pair the engines with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a responsive 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, depending on their driving preferences. Drivers can also customize the driving experience through selectable drive modes and adjustable steering settings. These systems allow the steering effort to change depending on whether the vehicle is being driven through city streets or at higher highway speeds. Tuned suspension components and dual anti-roll bars further improve stability and ride comfort. Technology plays a major role throughout the Tecton. The dashboard features a 10.1-inch infotainment display paired with a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster. Google Built-in provides seamless access to Google Maps, Google Assistant, and Google Play applications directly from the vehicle without relying entirely on a smartphone. Voice commands allow drivers to control navigation, media, climate settings, and connected vehicle functions naturally, while personalized Google accounts make it easy to access saved destinations, music preferences, and other customized settings. Additional premium features include a panoramic sunroof, dual-zone automatic climate control with voice operation, customizable ambient lighting with 48 colors, a wireless charging pad with active cooling, an advanced air purification system, and a premium surround sound audio system designed to deliver an immersive listening experience. Convenience extends beyond the cabin. A powered tailgate simplifies loading cargo, while intelligent keyless entry automatically unlocks the vehicle as the driver approaches and locks it after walking away. A 360-degree camera system and intelligent surround view monitor make parking significantly easier in crowded urban environments. Safety receives equal attention. Every Tecton comes standard with 6 airbags and more than 40 standard safety features. The body structure uses 62% high-strength steel to improve occupant protection and structural rigidity during collisions. Advanced driver assistance systems further enhance driver confidence. Available technologies include adaptive cruise control with stop and go, autonomous emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, blind spot warning, driver attention alert, and traffic sign recognition. Nissan also allows drivers to customize which assistance systems remain active, giving owners greater flexibility based on personal preference. The introduction of the Tecton signals much more than the arrival of another sport utility vehicle. It demonstrates Nissan's commitment to expanding its global lineup with products that combine premium design, advanced technology, practical versatility, and everyday comfort. With production based in India and exports planned for multiple international markets, the Tecton could become one of the company's most important global products in the years ahead.